Gold is rising or crashing or both. Everyone's confused. Investors, analysts, even governments. What is really going on with gold in 2026? Is it a bubble? A safe haven? Or a trap? Let's break it down. Fact by fact. No hype. Introduction. Why gold matters. Gold isn't just a shiny metal. It's history, economy, power. For centuries, gold has been used as money and reserve. In modern times, it's considered a hedge against uncertainty. Whenever people lose trust in money, they turn to gold. But in 2026, gold is behaving strangely. Prices are going up when they should go down. Prices fall even during market chaos. Why? To understand this, we need to go deeper. Global trends affecting gold's 2026 this year. Inflation slowed down in many countries. Normally, that would cool down gold demand, but it didn't. In fact, central banks are buying more gold than ever. China increased its reserves quietly. Russia shifted to gold to avoid dollar-based sanctions. India raised import duties, and still demand grew. Why are powerful countries hoarding gold? Because trust in paper money is slowly weakening. Debt is rising, currencies are volatile, and war is near. In such times, gold becomes silent insurance. Gold vs. dollar gold is often called the enemy of the US dollar. When dollar strength goes down, gold usually goes up. In 2026, we saw countries shifting from dollar trade. That means more demand for gold-based transactions. This is not financial panic. It's strategic positioning. Nations want independence from US-controlled systems, and gold is the old weapon for financial freedom. Retail investors are confused, but while governments buy, small investors hesitate. Some think crypto is the future, not gold. Others see gold as too slow, outdated, boring. Yet history shows gold always returns during crises. 2008, gold surged. 2020 pandemic, gold surged. Will 2026 be next? Early signs say yes. But here's where the trap lies, the paper gold problem. Most gold traded today isn't real. Physical gold, it's paper gold. Contracts, this makes it easy to manipulate prices. Big institutions can sell what they don't own. This increases supply artificially and lowers price. So, even if demand rises, prices may not reflect it. This is why gold seems unpredictable today. Is gold still safe? Gold is not an investment that grows fast. It doesn't pay interest, dividends, or bonuses. Its strength is in stability, not growth. It holds purchasing power over decades, not weeks. So yes, gold is still safe, but not exciting. It won't make you rich overnight, but it protects. Think of it like financial insurance. Not a lottery should you invest in gold. This video is not financial advice, just educational. If you're thinking about gold, ask yourself, do you want safety or growth? Are you preparing for crisis or profit? If your goal is long-term security, gold helps. But if you want short-term gains, it may disappoint. Always consult a professional before investing. The bottom line, gold's strange moves in 2026 aren't random. They reflect deep shifts in global finance and trust. Banks, currencies, and governments are all under pressure. Gold is reacting like it always has. Silently, strongly. If history repeats, gold may become the headline asset. Outro. Final message. So, WTF is happening to gold. It's not chaos. It's a signal that the financial system is shifting. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay curious. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe. More eye-opening financial content coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.